What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So this article goes into how a Shiba Inu price recovery could be incoming. So we just talked about the Shiba Inu burn rate. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. We might do a live stream. Let me know in the comment section if y'all still are up this Friday night, and we could jump into this live stream. But following nearly a week of losses, Shiba Inu could see a price recovery incoming if certain factors do come to fruition. Currently, the meme coin is trading at that 1056 level, down 3% over the last 24 hours, but a turnaround could be on the horizon. Earlier today, the meme coin has seen a gradual ease of its selling pressures while showcasing a balance of trading activity. According to You Today, now on the heels of a losing streak and immense volatility, a price recovery is not out of the question if some things fall into place. What could drive a SHIB turnaround? According to CoinMarketCap, SHIB has been on quite a low recently. Specifically, it had reached that 1033 level, currently regaining some, but still showcasing a concerning chart. Yet, things may be looking up for one of the most popular meme coins in the industry. So, how could a Shiba Inu price recovery be incoming? Well, it all starts with the overall market. Specifically, bullish sentiment in the industry as a whole could allow the beloved meme coin to maintain momentum, coinciding with the positive growth of something like Bitcoin amidst the macroeconomic uncertainty. So if you notice, there's been a lot of banks, even more banks are in trouble of collapsing. That is pushing more investors to look at assets like Bitcoin as a safer means, and in turn, some people may, look to other altcoins such as Shiba Inu, Inu, tokens like that to bring money back into the crypto space, taking it from the banks. So basically, crypto, even though we went through a lot of rough times with the FTX, Voyager situation, all these different Terra Luna's, dogecoin situation, with all these things, it beat up crypto for a little bit, but right now some faith is starting to return, because it's like, okay, we can sense that or see that it's not just the crypto space that has these issues. It's, across the board. And right now, faith is coming back into the space. That's what I like to see. And secondly, it says the meme coin must continue the expansion of its ecosystem through Shiba specifically. An impeding update could do wonders for the digital asset, as this continued expansion could trigger positivity in the short term. Finally, as it usually does with Shiba Inu, it all comes down to the burn rate. Consequently, growth in the burn rate always tends to express growth in digital assets in the medium term. Thus, medium and short term price recovery could be possible, with the passion of the Shiba army maintaining its long-term potential. So let's take a look at the chart. See, obviously we get what the article is saying, basically positive sentiment is entering the market again. People are becoming more optimistic on crypto as a whole, especially seeing Bitcoin get up to over 28,000, which we haven't seen those numbers since around June 2022. It's giving some people some hope that, things may be likely to turn around. So if we take a look at Shiba Inu here, we got SHIB trading at that 1065 level, down 1.5% on the day, basically in alignment with everything else in the market. We had to go to the top 87th cryptocurrency by market cap in order to find a project that was really in the green. So right now, Shiba Inu, I got a few indicators up, our Bollinger Bands. We can see the price trading below the lower Bollinger Band, which is a bearish sign. That's a sign that the price is likely stuck underneath this level. It's using this level as a resistance point. Now, our next support would be down here at our lower Bollinger Band at around that 1,000 points per coin level. It really says like around 1,008, but we got a doji candle forming here with the price trading sideways pretty much for the most part, and that doji candle kind of gives us like a sense that the market is met right in the middle. The market is in agreement where the price is, but unsure in which direction it should go next. But with us losing volume, that tells me that there's less buying pressure coming in, more people may be selling, so that's a bearish sign as well that the price could likely dip down. Now, the article talked about how Shiba Inu could have a bullish recovery, and I think that is very much possible, but after we hit this next level of support. So I believe buyers will step in and take this as a buying opportunity around this 1,000 points per coin level. Not financial advice, do whatever is best for you. And also, if we take a look at our RSI, that tells us that it's not yet at that oversold level. If we were trading right here and the RSI was sitting at probably, let's say, a 30 33, a 34, 35, you know, anything 35 and below is considered oversold. Then we will be a little more bullish on the price flipping right at this moment. But right now that tells us that we still got a little room to cool off, almost about 10 points to cool off still. So it's like, you know, especially with, you know, the markets being red right now, prices could pull back a little further. So just be aware of that. But the good thing is you can know where most people are likely to buy in. And if you notice, this 1,000 points per coin level also coincides with this support that we found over here earlier in March around the 9th. So you notice how the price traded down, found support here, bounced up, traded down, made a higher low, bounced back up, and then continued to, you know, trade off a little bit, but then started to really trade sideways before giving us this doji here. So right now I think it's kind of losing a little strength until, you know, we hit this next support level, and that's where smart money may step in and take things up further. So that's all we got for this video. Volume right now down 2.5%, sitting at $200 million in the last 24 hours. We got overall crypto market sitting at $1.16 trillion market cap. Remember, this is still higher than where we were held, you know, 3 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. So keep that in mind. It may feel like a red day, but this red day is still a higher low than a few weeks ago. So shout out to y'all for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. We